Hello, my golden beauties. I hope all is well. I thought I'd come on here and show you my empties and what I would repurchase and what I would not. I think like if you like, I think I have like three things like on here that you're gonna see like duplicate stuff. So it's definitely this. But first, this twisting butter by Camille Rose. It is like so hydrating. Like I would definitely like repurchase this. I'm so heavy handed. So this lasted like I think like 2.5 weeks. Um the olive oil therapy. This is a repurchase. It's just it's hydrating. I try not to use it as much. Because I'm just so heavy handed. Excuse me. This here I haven't finished the bottle. I think it's like that much left in there. This as I am restore and repair. I would not repurchase this because it's just Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's just my hair is like funny. It's just it doesn't like a lot of stuff. So I wouldn't repurchase it. I probably just make my own and put like castor oil, jojoba oil, and like an essential oil in here. Olive oil, mix it up with some water. That's what I would do. But I wouldn't repurchase it, but it's good for like hydrating, keeping the hair hydrated. My hair is just it's so like it looks it's moisturized, it's soft, but then it'd be like, dang, what happened? This is a good one. Herbal Essence. What flavor is this? It's the conditioner. It's a 3-in-1 detox, volume, and shine. So it's like a triple threat. So I would repurchase this. It'd be like a good wash and go. I'm trying to find like hair stuff. Okay, so this here is like the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp lavender. Yes.
What are you doing?
A video. What are you doing?
Lord. Lord, I have to hear my voice. Lord, I have to
This is the 18-in-1 hemp lavender pure Castile soap. I would repurchase this. I wash my hair with it, mop the floors with it, shower with it. It's really good product. Let's see. This is Dow Gentle and Clear. I like the scent. It smells good. Nothing in here, but the scent smells good. I probably wouldn't repurchase this. I would repurchase the marula oil one. That's a good one. This is the Olay sea salt exfoliating moisture sea salt. I will repurchase. This will be a repurchase. This here I didn't like the scent. It's marula oil body wash. So I wouldn't repurchase this. I think it's like $15 on Amazon. When I purchased it, it was like $5. I would repurchase this oat oil and jojoba oil. Like I would make my own jojoba oil and put like an essential oil, maybe like some grapeseed. But I would definitely repurchase this. I just like making my own products. And then this one is the coconut hibiscus. This will be like another repurchase. Definitely. It's firm and it's toning. It's really good. And I love the scent of it. Let's see. Hair stuff. This is the coconut wash. Coconut co-wash with tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, supplemental, and phytosterols cleansing cream conditioner. My hair did okay with it. It was okay. I won't repurchase it, but it was a good product. It is a good product. This here is the Lakewood Organic Pure Cranberry Juice. Like, I would drink this. This lasts me about a week. So I always purchase this. Oops, sorry. Jeez. It's so hot. I will always purchase this. It's just a good drink. Tart cherry, 100%. Not from concentrate. I love not from concentrate juices. It's just natural. Smart juice, organic. This is pretty good. This is good. Those two are good to go. Drink it straight. Drink it for your smoothies, or like say if like you have like, what is it? Like whatever, like infection down there, like a yeast infection. It's good for that. If you have like what else? I can't think what else. It's right on the tip of my tongue too. I forget. But it's good. Like if you have like any issues down there, it is good for cleansing. Like legit. Just drink it straight. It's like it has like a funny taste at first, but you'll get over it. It's pretty good. This here is the Neutrogena Rain Bath, and I like the scent. It's just that my skin's so sensitive. It smells so good that I would start to itch. So, but would I repurchase it? Probably not. I just love the scent, and even though it made me itch, I still use it. The J.R. Watkins. This one is Awakening Creamy Body Wash with Coranda, bergamot, and Calendula extracts. Rosemary and rosewood, 98% natural. It smells so good. Like, I think put some water in here and finish it up. Oh my gosh. Like, I cannot say enough good things about this product here. Like, I think I have like the spray mist, the body oil mist. Yeah, just the body oil mist and this. Oops. Y'all just, goodness. These bees are on the porch. Oh my gosh, these bees are out here. Yeah, see? Now I can't see y'all. I don't know what happened. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about this product. I love it so much. Like, I probably end up purchasing like, this is the only like they have another scent. I think it's like do I have it? No, I don't. It's like a creamy. It says like love on it. Creamy rose, Coranda in it. Oh my gosh, the scent is just it's crazy. This is another repurchase, the Honey Pot sensitive foaming wash. Yeah, this is a definite repurchase. Excuse me. Vera Wang Embrace. This mist, it's a nice like spring, summer. It smells so good. Jeez. It smells really good. It's nice spring, summer, really like a all around year scent. It smells so good. Let's see. This here root to end, I got this from like Family Dollar. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. And it was okay. It didn't tangle my hair. It didn't make my hair dry. It's very moisturizing. I don't know. It's honestly priced, honestly good. Cruelty free vegan. I will repurchase this. That will be a repurchase. I just use Ayurveda when I wash my hair, so I don't really reach for, you know, like the vegan, cruelty-free products. Dettol. This will always be a repurchase. Man, these bees. This one says be 100% sure. That's their logo, their slogan. Be 100% sure, and it's antiseptic, disinfectant, first aid, medical and personal hygiene. Use diluted. You can like wash your hair, you clean your house with it. Like if you had a cut, you could clean. I mean, it's just midwifery. See, you could, yeah. Epidemics, treat linen, floors, spraying rooms. It says 1 tablespoon to 500 milliliters of water. This is definitely a repurchase. I have, see, 2 bottles. Definitely repurchase. This here, I love the scent. Citrus and herbal musk. Oh my gosh. This is a definite repurchase. I love this line. I break out with the deodorant, but with the body scrubs and the body wash, it's pretty good. I got stuff all over, guys. Just hold on. Okay. This is a Clorox. This is everything from like hair, like household. This is Clorox fabric sanitizer. This is a definite repurchase. Hey Humans body wash. It's thick. It has a nice scent. This is a definite repurchase. Pumpkin seed oil. This is like usually when I deep condition my hair, I'll put in my hair oil. This is really good. Since I've been like making a different version of my hair oil, I don't really use the pumpkin seed oil. But if I were to have like the Averata, I can't even talk.
Mom, there's a bee on the porch.
I know, it's like several of them. It's crazy.
Mom, can you tell Dad him the controller because he plays for an hour?
Okay, give me a second. Thank you. No.
The black one?
Sure.
Oh, I mean, my hand's right here.
Absolutely not. No. The Trader Joe's Nourishing Shower and Bath Cleansing Oil with Almond Oil. This is a definite repurchase. It smells good. It's light. It cleanses really good. So that's a definite repurchase. This Febreze Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam Original. Gain Scent. This is a definite repurchase. There's so many bees on this porch. The Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, with African Rock, Fig, and Baobab oil. This is a definite repurchase. I need to deep condition my hair, so I know I need to go and get like 2 bottles. But I use the whole entire thing on my head, on my hair. I use the whole entire thing. So, I can't. This is what I used to like wash makeup off my face to cleanse with. This is a beauty bar. The scent is crazy. The scent is stupid. I mean, it's just, and it's free from animal fat. Ingredients used are free from lead, cadmium, and non-carcinogenic. Skin softener, good lather, deodorant for all day freshness. This is a definite repurchase. I think when I do purchase it, it's like $3.99 a bar. Not too bad. No, $4.99 a bar. So I purchased like 3. This is really good. I always I have these incense, like the actual the yoga incense. So yes, like my whole in shower routine it's pretty dope. So yeah, guys, so that is it for this video. Sorry for the interruptions, but my hair oil is just baking in the sun. It's been like a week, maybe going on 2 weeks, so I just been keeping it in the sun. Did I put the video up yet? don't think I put the video up yet. Well, I'm not gonna open it because I don't want it. The hands are already like so, like greasy. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ah! Oh my gosh. So many bees. Okay, guys. So I will see you guys in the next one.